Welcome to another walk-around video with us here at Subaru of Saskatoon, located at 471 Circle Place. Today we are looking at a 2023 Subaru Ascent Onyx in crystal white pearl. The Ascent Onyx is configured with 7 seats and sits on 20-inch wheels, providing an impressive 8.7 inches of ground clearance. Standard on Ascent is Subaru's EyeSight technology that provides adaptive cruise control, pre-collision braking, lane departure warning, and lane keep. The headlamps are also steering sensitive, turning like retinas as you corner the vehicle. Under the hood is a 2.4-liter turbo engine producing 260 horsepower, paired with a chain-driven CVT transmission and Subaru's Symmetrical full-time all-wheel drive. The Boxer engine, famous by Subaru, sits low in the vehicle for an amazing center of gravity. Taking a look inside, we have the mirror, lock, and window controls. For the seating, we have a 10-way power adjustable driver's seat with 3-stage heating, wrapped in an all-weather material for life's rugged adventures, and a large panoramic sunroof for those starry nights. Located on the left of the steering wheel are the Bluetooth and audio controls, and on the right side of the wheel are the cruise control, heated steering wheel controls, and lane keeping system. Moving to the center of the dash is an 11.6-inch touchscreen monitor that is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ready. Located on the bottom of the touchscreen are the climate and heated seat controls. Taking a look in the middle row, we have captain's chairs and easy access for the third row. Second row passengers also get their own temperature controls and added ports for USB-A and USB-C. In the rear is a power tailgate and easy to fold third row for added cargo space. Thanks again for watching another walk-around video with us at Subaru of Saskatoon. Be sure to come check out the 2023 Ascent Onyx, as there are plenty more options not mentioned in this video.